The one thing we are always wanting to try to teach students is how to be effective researchers, how to be effective industry professionals. And so we're just trying to provide them with the skills to design, build, and implement products.
Anthony Gunderman is an assistant professor at the University of Arkansas. But in 2020, while studying for his PhD, he took on a pretty ambitious project.
Originally, my advisor wanted to develop a soft robotic gripper for harvesting, something like grapes. And Renee Threfall in the University of Arkansas Division of Ag suggested we look towards blackberries, which is a crop that could benefit a lot more from using these delicate soft robotic systems for harvesting these delicate fruit.
Since then, he's been collaborating with the Division of Agriculture in a variety of ways.
We were also analyzing the forces that harvesters were applying to the berries. So we would equip friends of ours in the UADA with these force sensors on the fingers and analyze, how much force were they applying to it. And this last summer in 2025, I was working again with Renee Threfall and Amanda McWhirt in the UADA to start collecting the data we need to inform the designs looking towards the future. So specifically, we were looking at what makes a blackberry truly ripe,
as well as seeking help from industrial, electrical, and biological engineering professors.
It's a big collaboration because we need all this support to look further down the line to develop a full, comprehensive robotic system.
Collecting all this data and advice with one question in mind.
The idea was, can we take something that requires a lot of labor, upwards of 50% of the cost can be dedicated to harvesting blackberries. Can we take that and use robotic systems instead to harvest it?
The collaborators have made big strides in their research, and now they have a patented robotic gripper to pick blackberries. But they're not done yet.
Our long-term goals are to develop an autonomous robotic system. Our short-term goals are about collecting the data we need to inform that design.
Gunderman says he hopes that one day the system can pick the berries independently.
The timeline for that's something in like the 5 to 10 year range, so it's a long way out.
But in the meantime, he's having fun working on the project, as well as using it as a teaching tool.
One of the good things about academia is that our short-term goals are always to educate. And so every day we get to teach students, we get to teach, people within the grower community how we use these systems to inform optimal harvesting. So even though we got a long way off before we get that, end goal of autonomous system, even though we have a lot of delayed gratification, we're looking forward to every day just educating students.